Good afternoon to all students. Firstly, I heartily welcome to all students in induction program for UG student 2020. I am Professor S.L. Kumbare, Head of the Department of Chemistry. Welcome to all the students. Firstly, I will give the information, general information of Department of Chemistry of Sri Shivaji Science and Arts College Chikli was established in 1967 with the establishment of college. Department of Chemistry has glorious history. In the beginning, Mr. H.G. Wagh and Mr. A.N. Jadhav were appointed as a lecturer in chemistry in June 1967. Mr. H.G. Wagh was holding the charge of head of the department. These two gentlemen rendered valuable service for the growth and development of department. Later on, Mr. P.R. Limse and Mr. H.J. More were also appointed as a lecturer in 1971 and 72 respectively. After that, in 2005, Mr. G.M. Dongre and Mr. S.L. Kumbare appointed as a lecturer. Mr. P.R. Limse retired as head of the department in 2007. After that, Mr. H.J. More retired as head of the department in 2009. Later on, Mr. G.M. Dongre was holding the charge of head of the department from session 2010-11 to session 2017-18. After that, myself, S.L. Kumbare, is working as head of the department since from 2018-19. In last year, in 2019, 5 assistant professors joined in our chemistry department. Friends, the Department of Chemistry consists of infrastructure facility such as main laboratory hall having the arrangement for 40 students in carrying out their practicals. Again, there is a presence of balance room, store room, staff room, and the physical laboratory. The Department of Chemistry has nearly all the equipments, chemicals, and the apparatus which are sufficient for conducting practicals for students class 11 to BSc final year. All the members of teaching and non-teaching staffs have cordial relation among themselves. They make sincere efforts for the overall development of students. As a result, several students of department have done PG in chemistry, PhD, and qualified NET/SET examination, and today they are appointed as a lecturer in different colleges. Some of the students of this department have achieved outstanding success in various fields, and they are holding high post in civil services as well as the government services. Students, The motto of our department is committed to green synthesis to achieve the prosperity. Then vision of our department is empowering the student with knowledge of chemistry to exercise their ability for the prosperity of mankind. Mission of our department is we synthesize, analyze and classify chemical compounds in the right way and impart excellent knowledge of chemistry that develop creative, scientific and responsible citizens. The Department of Chemistry, this is the brief history of Department of Chemistry. There is a presence of spacious laboratory hall, about 500 square feet, accommodating 48 students for practical. Then the physical laboratory, about 180 square foot. Then staff room, store room, balance room. Then teaching staff in department. Myself, S.L. Kumbare, MSc, B.Ed, NET. This is my qualification. Now I hold the post head of the department and associate professor. My specialization is organic chemistry and I have 15 years teaching experience. The second staff members, teaching staff members in our department is Dr. S.R. Patil, qualification MSc, B.Ed, PhD, holding assistant professor, post of assistant professor, specialization is inorganic chemistry and teaching experience is 22 years. Next, our faculty members is Mr. S.V. Daudpure, qualification MSc, M.Ed, SET, designation assistant professor, specialization organic chemistry and teaching experience 10 years teaching experience. Next, our staff member Dr. G.D. Thorat, MSc, PhD, GATE, working as an assistant professor, specialization is organic chemistry and 8 years teaching experience, having 8 years teaching experience. Another staff member, Mr. S.S. Kale, MSc, SET, assistant professor, specialization physical chemistry, teaching experience 2 years. Another staff members, Ms. T.S. Srirame, qualification MSc, NET, SET, designation assistant professor, specialization in organic chemistry, teaching experience 1 year. Then non-teaching staff, the most senior most person in our department in the non-teaching staff, Mr. T.N. Solanki, working as a lab attendant, qualification SSC and 30 years experience. Next one, non-teaching staff, second one non-teaching staff, Sri R.S. Bhonde, working as a lab attendant, qualification SSC, again 30 years teaching, 30 years experience. The another member of non-teaching staff is Sri H.G. Patil, lab assistant, HSC, experience 15 years experience. Then Department of Chemistry has nearly all the equipments, chemicals and apparatus which are sufficient for conducting the practicals. The department consists of the laboratory, again the library and the instrumentation facility to carry out the experiments. The laboratory of departments consists of following instrument to carry out the experimental work: digital colorimeters. Here there is a presence of digital colorimeter, digital conductometers, digital potentiometers, digital pH meters, electrical balance, Owen, shaking machine. These are the instruments are present in the chemistry department. This is the picture of our chemistry department laboratory. A spacious laboratory and 48 students carrying out practical in this spacious laboratory. Then these are the chemicals. The second picture. These are the chemicals which are available in our laboratory. These are the instruments. This is the digital conductivity meter, potentiometer, pH meter, colorimeter. These are the instruments are present in the laboratory. Then the departmental library, near about 100 books are present in the departmental library here. Then we will discuss about some of the achievements of our chemistry department. In the last year, here in the Avishkar competition, the two students of chemistry department, Kumari Kiran Taide and Kumari Vaishnavi Cheke, stood first in university level Avishkar competition and represented the university in the state level Avishkar competition, which was present in the Mumbai University. Here some of the awards. These are the awards. In the last year, these awards. Actually, these awards are acquired by the chemistry department students. Here, then the admission process. Here, there are the 4 groups of flexibility for the admission in chemistry. The students which are admitted in the chemistry have the 4 groups of flexibility. Is the chemistry, botany, zoology, chemistry, botany, microbiology, chemistry, zoology, microbiology, chemistry, physics, mathematics. The total intake capacity of department is approximately 120 students. Then these are the alumni of our department. In the last 5 years, most of the students of our department qualified the NET SET examination. Mr. S.N. Pawar qualified SET examination in 2015. Sri H.G. Sabadinde qualified SET examination 2016. Mr. Y.P. Wayar qualified SET examination 2016. Mr. A.S. Shalke qualified SET examination in 2016. Mr. S.S. Kade qualified SET examination in 2017. Mr. D.T. Kakade qualified SET examination in 2017. Mr. V.A. Mahale qualified NET and SET examination in 2017 and 2019. Mr. S.D. Ambore qualified SET examination in 2018. Mr. K.S. Shalke qualified NET examination in 2019. And all these students are appointed as a assistant professor in different colleges. Then other informations or the activities related to the department in the last 5 years. The different student-oriented activities carried out in Department of Chemistry in association with the Amravati University Chemistry Teachers Association. Department of Chemistry in association with Octa Amravati carried out various activities like classroom seminars, project exhibition, science exhibition, quiz competition, group discussion, educational tours for students. Every year, students of chemistry department actively participated in university level project exhibition competition such as Avishkar. In last year, two students, Kumari Kiran Taide and Kumari Vaishnavi Cheke, stood first in university level Avishkar competition and represent in state level Avishkar competition. Every year, department organize in association with OCTA graduate aptitude test for final year student for preparation of various competitive examination, entrance test for PG admission in University of Pune. Here, the student participated in different activities. Here, the student participated in the chemi quiz competition, inter-collegiate seminar competition, university level project exhibition, and the graduate aptitude test in chemistry. These are the students which are actively participated in different competitions organized by the department as well as the OCTA at university level. These are some of the outlooks of our department. Here, all the students are well familiar with the Department of Chemistry, and now I over my presentation in this induction program. Thank you very much.